of us are surrounded by countless objects, and to identify, we have unique names assigned to each particular object. Similarly, organic compounds also do have their specific names. In the earlier days, the name of a compound was given according to the place of origin. For example, CH4 was named as Mars gas, since it was mainly obtained from Marsy places, and such names are called common names or trivial names. But such names cannot be assigned to 5 million organic compounds, right? That is why it is very important to have certain set of rules which can be recognized globally. So for rescue, here comes an organization called IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that provides with certain set of rules in naming the organic compounds, and all these rules are being recognized globally. Hence, the nomenclature was systematized by the chemist of IUPAC in the year 1957. So, the first step according to the rules that are provided by IUPAC for naming any organic compound is the selection of longest carbon chains in any compound. So here goes an organic compound. So you do not find any other atoms are mentioned in this organic compound except the carbon atoms. So in this case, consider the other positions of this organic compound are being occupied by hydrogen atoms. So here goes, this is the longest carbon chain in this organic compound. So in this case, this longest carbon chain, it consists of 6 carbon atoms. If you start numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 6 carbon atoms. Well, if you number it from the opposite end as well, you will also get the 6 carbon atoms. So you can observe one thing, that the number of carbon atoms in the longest carbon chain remains the same. Well, here another question arises, that why the selection of longest carbon chain in any organic compound is important. This is because the number of carbon atoms in any longest carbon chain will provide you the name of an organic compound. That is why the selection of longest carbon chain in any compound is mandatory, because it is the number of carbon atoms that are present will provide you the name of an organic compound. So let's consider this organic compound now. So how many carbon atoms are present in this organic compound? Well, you will definitely say it has 9 carbon atoms. That is not exactly, because this is in this particular compound you will find it has 3 different chains instead of one long chain in this organic compound. But our rule says we have to find the longest chain in this organic compound. So here goes the answer. It will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So why it is like that? If you expand this particular compound, you will be obtaining the structure of compound like this. So the carbon atom that is attached to the third position of this carbon, it can be written as either downward or upward. And you know, this particular carbon atom that is attached to the third carbon atom of this longest chain, it is called the substituent, and the longest chain that has the 8 carbon atoms, it is called the main chain. So now here goes a learning check for you. How many carbon atoms are present in the longest chain of the following organic compound? So if you start numbering this organic compound, you will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, if you expand this, you'll be getting the structure somewhat like this. So, this is the longest carbon chain of this organic compound and it has 8 carbon atoms present in it. Here goes another question. How many carbon atoms are present in this longest chain of the following organic compound? So, let's start numbering this compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, we ignored the carbon atom that is attached to the 5th and the 2nd carbon atom. This is because when you expand the structure, you are getting the structure somewhat like this, where you can see in this long chain or the main chain of this compound consists of 6 carbon atoms, and these atoms that is attached to the 2nd position and the 5th position are called as the substituents. So this is how many carbon atoms are present in this longest chain of this organic compound? So the answer is 6. As you are finding, the 6 carbon atoms are present in this long chain of the carbon atom, and these 2 atoms are the substituents that is attached to the main chain of this organic compound. Well, currently the admissions for level 1 and level 2 Vedic mathematics are going on. Interested? Please contact us at the WhatsApp number 861-8154-620, and also you can reach out to us at training.hsr@gmail.com. Thank you.